How to access Hulu on Dish Hopper. Step number 1, ensure your Hopper is connected to the internet. Verify that your Hopper receiver is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, access the Hopper menu. Press the home button on your remote to open the main menu. Step number 3, navigate to the apps section. Use the arrow keys to select apps and press OK. Step number 4, select the Hulu app. Scroll through the list of available apps to find Hulu. Highlight Hulu and press OK to launch the app. Step number 5, log into your Hulu account. If prompted, enter your Hulu username and password. If you don't have a Hulu account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 6, start streaming. Browse through Hulu's content library and select the show or movie you wish to watch. Note, the availability of the Hulu app may vary based on your Hopper model. For instance, the Hopper 3 supports built-in streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. If the Hulu app is not pre-installed on your Hopper, you may need to install it from the App Store or contact Dish customer support for assistance.